Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to English Lifestyle. I hope you are feeling adventurous and ready to explore the world today.
Hi, everyone. I am ready to explore, but I have a small problem. I have absolutely no sense of direction. If I turn around 3 times, I get lost in my own kitchen.
Oh, Sam, you are directionally challenged. That is a dangerous thing to be if you are traveling.
It is terrifying. I once spent 3 hours looking for a museum in Paris. I ended up at a bakery. Okay, the bakery was delicious, but I still miss the museum.
Well, getting lost is part of the adventure, but knowing how to ask for help is a survival skill. Today, we are talking about asking for and giving directions.
This is essential survival English. You need to know how to stop a stranger politely. You need to understand turn left, go straight, and it's on the corner.
And more importantly, you need to understand the answer. If they say, take the second exit at the roundabout and go past the blue building, you need to catch those details.
We will also teach you the difference between asking, where is the bank? Rude. And could you tell me where the bank is? Polite.
So here is our map for this navigational lesson.
Listen closely to the GPS.
By the end of this video, you will be able to start a conversation politely, understand prepositions of place, next to, opposite, master movement verbs, turn, cross, go past, and memorize common phrases with our new rapid phrase builder.
We are going to teach you idioms like you can't miss it, a stone's throw away, and as the crow flies.
And we are using our special method, context first. We will let you listen to Sam getting lost before we explain the vocabulary.
So put away your Google Maps, look up at the street signs, and hit that subscribe button.
And hit the like button if you have ever been lost in a foreign country.
Let's get started. Part 1. The approach. Being polite. You are lost. You see a stranger. You are panicked. Do not just scream train station at them.
In English, politeness is everything. You must use excuse me and could you.
In this first scene, Sam is lost in London. He tries to ask a busy woman for help. Listen for excuse me, I'm looking for, heading in the right direction, and lost.
Shh. Hey, you. I'm sorry, are you talking to me?
Yes. Where's the British Museum? I am totally lost.
Oh, well, that is a bit abrupt, but you are actually heading in the wrong direction.
Oh no, I walked for 20 minutes. I'm looking for the main entrance.
You need to turn around. But if you want to be polite, next time say, excuse me, could you help me?
Sorry, I'm just stressed. Excuse me, could you point me in the right direction?
That's better. Go back that way and ask someone at the subway station.
Thank you. Sorry for shouting. Stop and teach 1.
Sam, never shout, hey, you, at a stranger. They will think you are attacking them.
I know, panic makes me rude. Let's look at the polite phrases. First, excuse me.
Excuse me. This is the golden key. Before you ask anything, you must say, excuse me. It gets their attention gently.
Then I use the phrase, I'm looking for.
I'm looking for. This is better than where is. It sounds softer. I'm looking for the nearest pharmacy.
Then Rose said I was heading in the wrong direction.
To head, verb. This means to move in a specific direction. Where are you heading? I'm heading home.
And I asked to be pointed in the right direction.
Could you point me in the right direction? This is a great idiom. It means just show me the general way to go. You don't need to give detailed steps.
So, start with excuse me, tell them what you are looking for, and ask where to head. Part 2. Prepositions of place. Where is it?
Okay, you asked the question. Now they answer. They will use preposition.
Next to, behind, in front of, opposite.
In this scene, Sam is trying to find a specific shop. Listen for next to, opposite, between, and on the corner. Excuse me, do you know where the Apple store is?
Yes, it's very close. Go down this street. It is on the corner of Main Street and Fifth Avenue.
On the corner. Okay. Is it next to the cinema?
No, it is opposite the cinema. It is across the street.
Opposite the cinema. Got it.
It is actually between the bank and the coffee shop. You can't miss it.
Between the bank and the coffee shop. Okay. Corner, opposite the cinema, between the bank and the coffee shop. I think I got it.
Do you want me to draw a map?
No. My brain is a map. A bad map.
Sam's brain is a map that has been through the washing machine.
It is very blurry. Let's look at the prepositions. On the corner, where two streets meet. The bank is on the corner.
Opposite or across from. On the other side of the street. You have to cross the road to get there.
Next to or beside. Immediately to the left or right. No building in the middle.
Between. In the middle of two things. The shop is between the bank and the post office.
These are crucial. If you go next to instead of opposite, you will be on the wrong side of the road.
Part 3. Movement verbs. How to get there. Now the action words. How do you move your body?
In this scene, the directions get complicated. Listen for go straight, turn left, cross, go past, and take the second right. Excuse me, how do I get to the city hospital?
It's a bit far. First, go straight on for 2 blocks.
Go straight for 2 blocks. Okay.
Then turn left at the traffic lights. Walk past the supermarket.
Go past the supermarket. Do I go to the supermarket?
No, just walk past it. Keep going. Then take the second right. Not the first right, the second one.
Take the second right. Okay.
Then cross the street at the zebra crossing. The hospital is right there.
Go straight, turn left, go past, second right, cross. Can you just call me an Uber?
That might be safer for you, Sam.
Too many instructions.
My brain exploded. Let's break down the verbs.
Go straight on, UK, or go straight ahead, US. Move forward without turning.
Turn left, turn right. Change direction.
Go past. Walk beyond something. Don't stop. Go past the church.
Cross the street. Go from one side to the other.
And the tricky one, take the second right.
This means ignore the first street on the right. Turn down the second street on the right.
Take the first left. Take the third right.
Part 3.5, the Rapid Phrase Builder. Okay, welcome to our new section. This is the Rapid Phrase Builder.
We are going to list the most common direction phrases. I will give the definition, and Sam will say the phrase. Repeat after Sam.
Let's go. Go straight ahead.
Move forward without turning.
Go straight ahead. Turn left at the lights.
Turn left when you see the traffic signal.
Turn left at the lights. It's on your right.
The building is on the right side.
It's on your right. Cross the street.
Go to the other side of the road.
Cross the street. Go past the bank.
Walk beyond the bank. Don't stop.
Go past the bank. Take the second exit.
At a roundabout, leave at the second road.
Take the second exit. It's around the corner.
Very close, just past the turn.
It's around the corner. You can't miss it.
It is very obvious and easy to see.
You can't miss it. Is it far?
Question about distance.
Is it far? It's a stone's throw away.
Idiom meaning very close.
It's a stone's throw away.
Great job. Memorize those chunks. They will save your life.
You can't miss it is my favorite because I usually do miss it. Part 4, Landmarks and Roundabouts.
In the UK and Europe, we have roundabouts. In the US, they have intersections.
A roundabout is a circle. Cars drive around it. It is confusing for Americans.
In this scene, Sam is driving. Listen for roundabout, exit, landmark, and intersection.
Now, the most important grammar for politeness, indirect questions.
Direct question. Where is the bank? Verb before subject. This can sound rude to a stranger.
Indirect question. Could you tell me where the bank is? Subject before verb.
See the change? Where is the station? Do you know where the station is?
Not, do you know where the station is? This is a common mistake.
Practice it. Where is the toilet? Could you tell me where the toilet is?
What time does the bus leave? Do you know what time the bus leaves?
Use indirect questions with strangers. It is much more polite. Part 7, the vocabulary box.
Let's review all these navigational words in the vocabulary box.
Slow and clear. I say the word. Rose gives the definition.
Excuse me. Definition, a polite phrase to get attention before asking.
I'm looking for. Definition, phrase to state your destination.
Heading, definition, moving in a specific direction.
On the corner. Definition, where two streets meet.
Opposite. Definition: across the street from something.
Between. Definition: in the middle of two things.
Go straight ahead. Definition: move forward without turning.
Go past. Walk beyond a building.
Take the second right. Definition: ignore the first right, take the next one.
Roundabout. Circular traffic junction.
Landmark. A recognizable building used for navigation.
Shortcut. A quicker, non-standard route.
As the crow flies. Distance measured in a straight line.
You can't miss it. It is very obvious and easy to find.
Indirect question. Definition: do you know where it is? Polite form.
The box is full. Let's empty it.
Speed round. Loudly.
The polite way to start a question.
Excuse me.
The bank is across the street. Preposition.
Opposite.
Ignore the first left. Take the next one.
Take the second left.
A circular road.
Roundabout.
A famous building like Big Ben.
Landmark.
A quicker way to walk.
Shortcut.
Idiom. Distance in a straight line.
As the crow flies.
Idiom. It is very easy to see. You can't miss it. Grammar. Do you know where is the bank or the bank is?
The bank is.
You guys are navigation experts. You will never get lost again.
Or if you do, you can ask for help politely.
Now the speaking challenge.
Step 1. Pause the video.
Step 2. Answer this question out loud. Give directions from your house to the nearest supermarket.
Use the vocabulary. Go straight. Turn left at the park. It's on the corner.
Step 3. Write exactly what you said in the comments.
Ready? Pause in 3, 2, 1, go.
Did you do it? Did you take a shortcut?
I took a helicopter. It was easier.
Thank you for exploring with us today.
Head off in the right direction and see you next time.
Bye.